Hey guys, welcome to Subtle Transformations with Tandy Leather, the Home Decor Edition. I'm Treasure, also known as Nikki of Nikki&Mallory, and today we're going to do something a little different. If you didn't know, I'm a handbag designer based out of Los Angeles, California, and not only do I teach bag making, but I specialize in custom leather goods. Now, you guys know I love my bag making, but like most creators, it's hard to stick to one thing. My obsession for home decor and DIY is real. So since I recently added home decor to my shop, I figured the new year would be a perfect time to give you guys 4 quick and simple DIY projects to help you add some life and style to that boring space in your place. So let's get started with this transformation. So this is the space that we're working with. As you can see, it's very bare. It needs a little life and a lot of style. So I'm going to get started on these 4 leather DIY projects, and once I've finished adding all the decor in, I will show you how it looks after. So now that we've made everything, remember this is our before and here is our after. And that's that. A little bit really does go a long way. I made 4 leather pillows, a leather magazine holder, I added that leather plant holder, and just to give it some extra bohemian vibes, I added the sheepskin throw to the table. The leather coasters are on the vintage tray, and lots of greenery will make any space come together. Well, that's it for now. I hope that you enjoyed this home decor edition of Subtle Transformations with Tandy. Make sure you check out my IG stories where I take you shopping to Tandy Leather with me for everything that I used in this video. Also, check out my blog for product links and descriptions. A huge thank you to Tandy Leather for supplying all the leather hardware and supplies used. I will catch you guys on the next one.